Hey, it's Todd Ault with Wall Street Words. Today's Wall Street word is self-regulatory organization, or SRO. These are non-governmental agencies set up by the Securities and Exchange Commission to regulate professional organizations like groups of stockbrokers, broker-dealers, members of the New York Stock Exchange, etc. One example of this is FINRA. They oversee the broker-dealer community. And then there's the Securities and Exchange Commission's oversight of the New York Stock Exchange. Believe it or not, under the Buttonwood Tree, people got together and agreed to trade stocks, and they became a self-regulatory organization overseen by the SEC. But their members and all the professionalism and all the rules are set up under their own organization. The SEC just oversees them to make sure their rules are in place, but they are independent organizations separate from the government. Hey, if you want to become a stockbroker, you have to join a broker-dealer that's a member of FINRA, or the Self-Regulatory Organization, SRO. You take a test that's guided by them, and you pass under their rules and you meet their guidelines, you can become a broker too. Self-Regulatory Organization. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.